Hello, today I'm going to be demonstrating book repair 101. So the first things I want to show you is the things that we use in order to repair a book. So the very first thing that I want to show is book tape. And this is mainly used to fix the spine of a book. We also have this type of tape. And this one is a hinge repair tape with a liner. And this is mainly used like when the pages are falling out. You can use this to help alleviate that. And then the other thing that we have are corner protectors. When the corners of a book start to fray or you see damage, you can use these corner protectors to help with that. And then the last thing that they have here on campus is something called a book cleaner. And what this is used for is when the covers are soiled, you may use this. You put on a glove and you use it to clean the cover of the book. And from what I'm told, sometimes it even works on the inside of the book. It's possible to actually clean some of the pages using this type of book cleaner. So for today, I decided to repair this book. And so what it needs is help in the corner areas. It needs a little bit of help in the spine. And then the last thing that it needs is that right in the middle of the story, the pages are starting to fall out. I have to be very, very gentle because it might possibly fall out. And so the very first thing I want to do is work on the inside of the book, and then I'll work you get what I mean. Like I'm going to work on the outside of the book. Make my way. There you go. Make my way. All right, so the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to measure, and it's really helpful if you have the items on hand, so that way you don't have to be, first assess what you're going to do. Or what you're going to need, and then go from there, so that way you don't have to be going up and down. And so I'm going to measure, and then I mark it, and then I have my scissors, so I'm going to go ahead and cut. And then this type of tape, you have to lift off. I'm trying to do it speedy quick here. The nails don't help. Okay, got it. All right, and so you peel this off, and you're left with this. What we want to do is make sure that the pages are not actually falling out. And we're going to place this right in the center vertically. And then I'm just going to nip it just slightly here. And then fold it a little bit, and that will prevent the pages from falling out. So as you can see. Okay, and so I'm going to move along to the corner. So I'm going to use the corner. Again, I'm going to get one of the corner tapes here, and we place it on the corner of the book, and then we fold it in. Like so. And then we do the same thing for the top and the bottom. And then I want to move along to the spine. We would do the same thing for the other four, and I want to move along because I'm taking a little too long. So same thing with the spine. The spine needs a little bit of help here, and so I'm going to measure the piece of tape that I'm going to need. snip it right here. And then I'm gonna snip that top part because it's a new one. And then I'm going to put it on the very edge so that way that'll give me a chance to line it up right down the middle. And then carefully taping it on and making sure that it grabs so that way that will hold. And so, and that is book repair. I will continue with the others, and that is it for today.